y'all, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be on another wig from Samsbeauty. I have put out actually 2 videos for you guys within the last 2 weeks on Samsbeauty wigs, and I am on the last one. I told you guys I had 3, so this is the last one. And even though I am enjoying Samsbeauty wigs, I really would like to be able to put sew-in in my hair. So hopefully I can be able to get through this last one. Y'all, I apologize, but the Fenty Skin, the butter drop cream, I told you guys that I didn't like it. I am loving it. Loving it. Also, I had went on and picked up the body butter from Trader Joe's. This is a good one too. And of course, y'all already know about the Bum Bum cream. I had this and I use that on the other parts of my body. I needed something for my hands. So let's go ahead on and get into this wig. Now, if you guys would want to check out the other videos, I will try to place the links down at the bottom. That way you'll be able to see the 2 wigs that I did do. I did a burgundy-ish red or something. All of them were short wigs, but girl, y'all know I love my long wigs, so I have to get into my long wigs. So this next one is a Shake and Go Freatress Equal, which is 4x4 lace closure wig. And her name is Lacey. I've never tried her before. She's pretty heavy. The packages is pretty heavy. So this is what everything looks like right here. And she's pretty long, y'all. She's pretty long. This is how I come packaged. We're doing an unboxing, honey. Okay. So, I don't know how to dig it. Oh, she looks good so far. Let's, girl, the way they got her package, the way she's laying down in there like that, she must be really long because she's laying down like this. So, oh, honey, this is her. And see, this is exactly what I need for my outfit. Y'all wonder why I am dressed up, because I have an event that I'm going to and I needed some good hair. And oh my goodness, baby. Whew. Okay, you see this? Oh my goodness. She has some, oh my. This is what she looks like. Oh my goodness, y'all better stop. Okay, she's a closure wig. A closure right here, a small closure wig. But look how natural she look. Oh my goodness, she's nice and long. She's thick and she's a little heavy, but she is gorgeous. And I got her in, of course, number 1. So right off the back, we have the closure right there. We have 2 combs right there. We have 2 combs on the sides, but you know, I'm thinking it's by the ear. And then we have 1 in the back, and it has, of course, Shake and Go on it. And this you can get from Samsbeauty.com, and we have baby hairs. So I'm gonna go ahead on and try her on, honey, because I am excited. I'm cutting the card off. This is the girlfriend right here. It has on here so many different colors that you can be able to get, y'all. So let me go ahead on and I have this I'm picking off for me cutting. Yeah, she's pretty heavy, but look how she is. I'm running my hands through her. She is pretty good. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So let me hold this up a little. Okay. Where's my comb? Okay, we have a comb right here. And we have a comb right here. Let me turn this down some. First off, I'm loving the parting that's going on in here. Okay, let's put that down. Okay, we have a comb, not by the ear, it's about right here. And actually this area right here is like a bend down right here. It's like a bend. You can bend it so it can be tighter to your hair. And actually, this feel like it is actually really on me. Okay. Honey, this is a lot of hair. I want y'all to know that. It's a lot of hair. But, girl, your girl loves a lot of hair. And actually, I'm not even going to pin this down either. She is gorgeous. Wait a minute. Watch my Chanel pin, honey. She is gorgeous. She is a lot. But she is beautiful. Okay, what I'm gonna do is go ahead on and cut the baby hair. Cut the lace off of her. And the baby hair, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Let's go here on and yes, baby. Let's go ahead on and cut this off. And actually, you don't need nothing on her if you want, unless you want to put her down. I'm getting to the point where though I'm not worried about lace glue anymore. You know, I just want to be natural sometimes. Now, don't get me twisted now. I do love my lace glue, but if I don't have to wear that on my forehead, honey, and I can find a wig that's good for me, look at that. Do you see that? That's good wig, so I don't have to, then we're not going to do it, okay? So, let me see. Where is... I'm going to use probably some Got to Be on this. Actually... I don't think I have any other glue. So I'm going to go ahead on and put her down and I will be back. Okay, this is her ends. Oh, mommy. She is so nice. Keep getting caught up in my pen. I don't want to lay completely down. I'm going to do like it so it could be up a little, you know, not really down. I don't want it stuck to my face like that. I'd rather do it where as though it's whiskey-like. Yes, call me a Latino baby, because this is how I like it. I don't have to do anything to the parting. Can you see that? Nothing to the parting. I like the whiskey look right here, where as though it's not flat down to my head. I like that look. And yeah, baby, I'm gonna go ahead on and stand up for you. I'm getting some shedding, but not a whole lot, but I am getting some shedding. Let's see. Yeah, I'm getting some shedding. This wig is not for the faint of heart. I want you to know that. This is a diva wig, honey, and I need this wig for this outing tonight. So, yeah, I'm getting some shedding. But let me try the, I got to do my nails too, guys, before I leave. So, let's do the comb test. She's going straight through. If you can see, straight through with not a problem. No problems. I don't want to comb my Chanel brooch. So, yeah, let's see. Okay, you see? I don't see anything. So, my whiskies, I want to stay like so. This one, I need a little bit more. Okay, so this is how I want to wear it. She is so gorgeous, honey. So gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so this is how I'm wearing her today. And give me a second, I'll stand up for you. Okay, guys, so I done already put her towards the back, and I done put some pins in her. And actually what I did was went on and just put a little bit of Got to Be glue underneath of it. And the reason why is because she's really long and I don't want it pulled on. If it been pulled on, I don't want it to like kind of shift. So I went on and did that, and she is so gorgeous. Honey, if you just want to like just basically even put her to the side, a nice little ponytail, you know, to go out with, you really can. This is gorgeous like this. I will be wearing her like this. Sometime, like, you know, with a nice little witch comb, you can even just wear it to the side like this. She is just so gorgeous, so gorgeous. So let me kind of like fix this so I can kind of like stand up for you guys, so you can be able to get the whole shebanga of what she looks like. Okay, so make sure I have my mirror. Okay, if you can see, this is her right here. I have somewhere that I'm going, so this is what I'm wearing, and this is what she looked like in the back. She is just so gorgeous, so gorgeous. She comes like all the way down here, honey. So let's go here on and put her toward the front. I think when I wear her, I'm only gonna put a little bit toward the front. Yeah, she's big, y'all. She's big. So she's not like the type of hair that if you don't like big, then you might not want to mess with her. She's not for the faint of heart. She is like really gorgeous. So where's my brooch? So yeah, this is what she looks like. And she is like really gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous, guys. She is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Let me just slide this down. Look how gorgeous she is. All right, guys, so that is my review. I am going to be going out with her tonight. And yeah, I like the little wispy hairs. It's just curved over, you know, spiky, like really cute. I like that. I've not yet to do that, so I'm glad that I'm doing it right now. And like I said, it's a 4x4 lace closure wig, and she's lacy. They have care instructions on here and stuff like that. I will put everything you need down in the description bar. That way you can be able to check her out if you want to. And then they have other wigs that you can get your hands on at Samsbeauty.com. Samsbeauty.com really will get you right for whatever occasion, whatever season, whatever reason, whatever anything you're doing. You going on a date night, you going on, you have a prom, you have pictures that you want to do, anything that you want to do, Samsbeauty.com wigs will definitely get you right, because they have a variety of wigs that you could be able to choose from, honey. And right now, y'all know I am just going to chill with this nice little diva wig right here. She is definitely diva. So, you know, like J Baby says, be blessed. First off, thank you so much for allowing me to test out these wigs. Samsbeauty.com, thank you so much. Thank you. And, you know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.